Dear students, welcome to our class on agricultural meteorology 12 bits. Before we go into the class, I humbly request you to subscribe to our channel, share, like it. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Now, the decrease in air temperature in the atmosphere with height is known as the decrease in air temperature in the atmosphere with the increase in the height, particularly in the troposphere. We call it as the normal or environmental lapse rate. Normal or environmental lapse rate, and its value is 6.5 degrees centigrade per kilometer. If it is dry adiabatic, it is 10 degrees centigrade per kilometer. If it is saturated adiabatic lapse rate, it is 5 degrees centigrade. Average is not 10 plus 5 by 2. It is 6.5 degrees centigrade per kilometer. Now, the rate, second bit, the rate of change of air temperature of the atmosphere. The rate of change of air temperature of the atmosphere in an ascending or descending air mass through adiabatic process is known as adiabatic lapse rate. Ascending or descending, that's it. Now, the thermodynamic process or the thermodynamic transformation which occurs without the exchange of heat between a system and its environment is known as adiabatic process. It is known as adiabatic process. No exchange of heat. Now, in adiabatic process, adiabatic cooling, adiabatic cooling, what it does? Expansion. It results in expansion, and adiabatic warming accompanies compression. COMPRESSION. Thanking you. Now, so let us go to classification of the regions. Most common rainfall in millimeters, name of the region. Okay, if the rainfall of a region is less than 500 millimeters, it is known as arid. If it is between 500 to 750, it is known as semi-arid. If it is 750 to 1000 mm, subhumid, and more than 1000 mm, it is known as humid. Now, few more bits. Soil is a product of dash on rocks. Climatic action. Answer is climatic action. Of course, the scales of air motion in different climates. Macro, meso and micro. Let us see. As far as the macro climate is concerned, there are two: planetary scale, synoptic scale. In the planetary scale, the horizontal scale is 2000 to 5000 kilometers or more. Vertical is 10 kilometers. Of course, time scale is 200 to 400 hours. Now, synoptic scale, as far as the macro climate, synoptic scale is concerned, where we go for synoptic observations, 500 to 200 horizontal scale, vertical is again 10 kilometers, and of course, time 100 hours. Mesoclimate, horizontal 1 to 100 kilometers, vertical scale 1 to 10 kilometers, and time scale 1 to 10 hours. As far as the microclimate is concerned, less than 100 meters, okay, 200 meters height, and time scale is 6 to 12 hours. So the last bit for today's class is sun's energy is due to fusion of hydrogen, in which hydrogen is transferred into helium. Thank you very much.